Hi guys, we're going to do a fire alarm tour of the Boardwalk Inn. I don't know, I think that's an MSD pole, or I don't know what pole that is. We have a Spectral Alert Classic and it has that sticker on it, which I've never seen before. Alright, and there's the exit sign with lights on it. Ew. Here, going around the exit sign, we have another FCI stickered Spectral Alert. Another unknown pole. Alright, so. I think we need to do all the floor. I know it would take a long time, but. Oh, yeah, wait, this is the only floor. Alright, here we have a firelight alarm by Honeywell, Beagsy 12. Looks like it's on a back box. Beagsy 12, oh my, that's cool. A Spectral Alert. Again, I guess this basic system here was system sensor alarms. There's stairs, unknown pole, and Spectral Alert Classic. Let's go this way. Man, making fire alarm tours of these hotels. They're good exercise, but they're not really intended to be fire alarm tours, but if you know what I mean. I'm just doing it for the fun. Spectral Alert with no FCI sticker. Huh. Interesting. Hey, look, my truck's down there. Oh, look at that. It's a beach. We have a Spectral Alert with a sticker on it. It looks like a barcode. We have another unknown pole station that I don't know. Woohoo! Yeah. Exit. Awesome. Woohoo! Another unknown pole. Another Spectral Alert with a label on it. Ew! Seriously, who does this kind of stuff? It's nasty. Daytona Beach ain't what the advertisement says it is. There's nasty people living here. I don't care if I offend nasty people. Y'all are nasty. Y'all get the hell out of this land. This is our land, not your land. Another Spectral Alert Classic. It's kind of dirty. I think they should take better care of the systems here, like replace the bulbs. You know, the bulbs get so dirty that you gotta replace them. You need to replace them. And repaint the alarms. Ah, exact same location. Another Spectral Alert. An exact same location. Another unknown pole. And I'm not even bothered going over there because it's the same dang thing. Ooh, let's see what's on this. Let's see what this on. Ooh, what could this alarm be? It's a pole station. I don't know. Ooh, what could this alarm be? Is it a Spectral Alert? No. It's a Xentex Commander and a cover. Whoa. I don't know if it's a Commander 1, 2, or 3. That cover really blocks it. And yet there's another Spectral Alert way over there. Another elevator. It's got cool red buttons. One of the things that's renovated that elevator. I bet they have gangsters living up here. The hotel's closed, but hopefully that's not true. Alright, we have another Xentex Commander question mark. This is a 4-minute fire alarm tour? Holy crap. That's insane. Oh, we go upstairs. All right, another spectral alert. It's been painted over. Another fire alarm pole station. It's also been painted over. Let's go down the stairs. Don't have time for elevator. Uh-oh. West stairwell. Alright. Yeah, there's all those lights. Whoa. We're in the lobby. Spectral art. Fitness room. I think it's past 7 a.m. Unknown pole station. Another. Oh, I already went to that one. Camera. Ooh. Cool fans. And that will put. And another, accident alarm. That was an interesting experience. We're gonna see how we get. Let's just do one sweep around this level first. Oh, another spectral alert. Oh my gee. I don't even bother going anywhere. It's just the same thing. Awesome. Well, let's film somewhere else. Like on the beach again. Maybe I can film my truck driving on the beach. That would be cool though. Let's see what's on down here.